Hey everybody, it's Walt, Dirtfoot Racing. I am outside today working on the Class B, budget Class B, doing few things, installing a few parts that I purchased. One of the things I installed just now was this blanket that goes over the air intake fan in the engine compartment. This is a fresh air filter in here. Mine was all falling apart, the insulation, the foam was all bad, so I ordered one. I got it. It's a Mercedes-Benz part. Right there, colorful air inlet. There's two pieces. Combined with the shipping for that little foam blanket was about 60 bucks. But I figured it was necessary to keep the temperatures down, so we're not, when the air conditioner is running in the front, it actually works without taking the heat from the engine and taking it inside. So I just did that, and I ordered an air filter off Amazon, and it was the wrong one. So that thing's got to go back. It did not want to go in. I put the stock one back in, or the one that came in the truck. I put it back in the van, put it back in for now. I'll get another one. But you must be a little bit of a contortionist and a free reacher, so to speak. You got to reach your hands. You got to have smaller paws than me. Reach your hands back in there. Wrap this blanket around. There's Velcro. Bring it back around. After I thought about it a little bit and took my time, I got it in there, but there was a slight bit of use of bad language in the process. So, but overall, it's in there. Looks much better than the one that was there. The stock one was falling apart. You know, saying it was 17 years old. I'm probably gonna end up putting a black tie wrap around this cable tie just once I get the air filter in there, just to hold it securely. But onward to the next little install we got to do here.